So today we're gonna learn with the simple basics. Since everyone knows times 1, today we're gonna learn about times 2. So for example, 741 times 2 equals, so this is how to do it. So you see the number 7, right? You draw 7 lines, make sure they're long. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. There we go. And then now you see the number 4. Now you just separate them a bit further, like, okay, I'll do it like this. 1, 2, 4. There we go. Now you see one line, you separate them again and then write one line also. So you see times 2. You do not write another line over here, but then you write the line across. 1, 2. So now we have 2 lines going side, and then 7, 4, and 1 line going downwards. So now you see, if you want to make sure all of it is correct, you can count them by making dots, like over here, for example. 1 times 2, you want to make sure it's correct, right? 1, 2. So 1 times 2 equals 2. So you just write the answer down here. And then you see, this is obviously 4 lines, right? So 4 times 2 is 8. So you write 8 down here. And then you see 4 times 2. Of course we know it's 14. So normally, okay, you put 14. And then this answer is actually true. If you check in the calculator, this isn't a lie. This is all correct. So now we got the answer 1482. So now you got your answer. Let me teach you again with times 3 this time. So I'll try 8, 5, 2 times 3 equals, okay, like I told you just now, if you have to follow these numbers, depending on what number it is, you have to make the number of lines of them. So this is 8, so we have to make 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. There we go. Now we have the number 5, so we'll separate them and make 5 lines. 1, oops, I think I made them too near. It's okay. Maybe I'll add like a little star over here so that I know. 1, 2, 4, 5. There we go. Now we have the number 2. So we'll separate them and make number 2. 1, 2. I accidentally make them too close, but I don't care. At least I know already. So let's make 3 across. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you see 2. So 2 times 3. Of course we know it's 6. And then 5 times 3 equals 15. But you don't write like both of them on the same place. Like, okay, so it's just like plus, like for example. Okay, you see, so 2 plus 4 is 6. And then this, wait, this is the wrong method. It's just like when you do times, like for example, times blah 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 blah, and up here is the big number. You always have, and then that number is 2 digits. You always have to put like one number down here and then one up here. So it's just like that. So 5 times 3 is 15. So 5 down here, and then 1 over here. I'll put the plus so that I know it's adding. So when you plus 1, the next answer will have to plus 1 also. So 8 times 3, it's 24, of course. And then 6 is plus 1, it's going to change to 25. So what's the answer now? Of course, it's 2,556. So we write that answer right now. And that's the end of the video. Feel free to check in the calculator too. Bye-bye.